this video tutorial, we are talking about how to count how many seconds are passing between two events. This is useful when you want to benchmark some function, how long take to, for example, to take a function, or if you don't have the net and you need to reboot the machine, can be very useful to count passing time in expressed in seconds. And we're going just to see this, how to see the difference in seconds between two events, starting time and ending time. So we are using Node because this is a great technology, and because has many tools, and practically that is JavaScript server, as you know. But let's go and to see how to implement this. So I'm going to use Vim, and I'm going to create app.js, and I'm going to create two variables. So let's join var start time and end time, camel case, and I'm going to create a function start, and inside I'm going to valorize this start time equal to new date, and I only understand what does this. The start time gives you the date. Okay, so let's try to see what is inside this variable. So let's go start, and here we go. So let's go here. You can see it's the ISO format of the date, but it's only the passing time between 90 expressed in seconds. So let's transform this in milliseconds. If you want to transform this, you need to use the function met round. There we go. Okay. Let's see what's happened now. You can see that this value are the total second passed between the 1970. So if now I go here, I put this the seconds, you can see that are 50,000 years. But for example, if I just remove, I put this, sorry, remove 1,000, you can see that let's remove this, are around 50 years. So now we are in 2020. Between 1917 are around 50 years. So this is the concept. We use this concept to calculate just the difference. So and now we are going just to tell end time equal to new, just as we did just some minutes ago. We're going to calculate this, and we are going to if to be equal to end time minus start time, and we want the time diff to be in seconds. So we divide all by 1000, and we're telling that this has to be an entire. So we are using seconds, equal to math round this, and we are going to, for example, to console log this second. So passed. This is, and so when we call this, and instead to call this, if I do this, for example, you can see that it's passed the zero. So let's put timeout like this. Timeout. The callback will be and we put just 5 seconds. So you can see this is the starting time in milliseconds, and this is the passing in seconds. So we saw how it's possible to do a little calculation in Node.js. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.